In this video, we are going to show you how to operate the Cricut cutter. If you do not have your project set up and ready, please refer to the Cricut tutorial part 1 video linked in the description below. On this screen, click the green Continue button in the lower right corner. Pre-cutting setup. Before you get started, make sure the space in front of and behind the machine is clear. Lift the lid up to open the machine. Then click the power button to turn it on. Connect the machine to your computer. We have adapters available if you need one. On this screen, choose the material you are going to use. We have cardstock papers, sticker papers, and various other materials. Please ask staff for assistance if you need help in choosing the right material for your project. Depending on your project, this next step will be different. Follow the direction on the screen to load in the appropriate tools. First, place a Cricut cutting mat on the table. Then gently pull out the plastic cover. Next, put your material on the mat. Please don't put anything on the mat except for the vinyl or the sticker paper you're using. Make sure that the top left of the paper is lined up with the first square of the mat. Start loading the tools in the appropriate slots. For this part, please ask staff for assistance. After that, put the mat in the correct place under the white little clamps. Then press the double arrow button. Finally, press the C button to start the machine. Wait for the machine to finish. The percent completion should be displayed on your computer screen. Post-cutting cleanup. After it is finished, press the double arrows button again to unload the mat. Carefully peel out your finished product. Please remember to put back the plastic covering on top of the mat. Start to unload the tools by opening the clamp that secures the tool and put those back in their designated location. Turn off the machine by pressing the power button. Finally, close the machine and remove the cable from your computer. Bonus content: laminating your art. Make sure that the laminator is connected to a power source, then press the power button on the side of the laminator to turn it on. Wait for the blue button on the machine to read ready. In the meantime, take out a laminating sheet and put your art in between the sheet. Slowly insert the sheet into the machine. Make sure that you are inserting from the front of the machine and that the closed side of the sheet goes in first. Wait for the sheet to move all the way through. Please don't pull it or force it to go any faster. After finishing, take the sheet out and use scissors to cut out the excessive part. And there's your finished product.